So I just bought a new cheap kitchen faucet off of that website, TEMU. I never have used this website in my life. I was almost afraid to use it. So I ordered this faucet off of there and it was like 36 bucks. Everything in the store were like 100 bucks. I didn't want to spend 100 bucks right now on a faucet because I don't know what I'm doing with this kitchen counter and the sink and everything yet. In my old faucet, the spray wouldn't work anymore and it was drippy and it was like just miserable. So I'll show you this faucet that I just bought real quick. So here's the faucet. I just installed it. If you don't know how to install a kitchen faucet, look in the description of this video and I've got a video that shows you how to install a sink faucet. So you can kind of just follow that as a guideline. The plumbing coming in, I'm going to say this on the faucets, can have a few variables. You might have, different fittings on the end that need to be changed, but it's a good guideline. It'll show you what needs to be done typically. So here's the faucet I bought from that TEMU website online, and it has the pull-out spray air. I'm going to turn it on. It came with the soap dispenser right there. So there's a button right here. You press the button and it has a sprayer. You can kind of go around and rinse out dishes and the sink and stuff like that. It comes up pretty far. You put it back in. It has a button here that'll stop the flow of water too. If you need to stop for a second, let it go, the water will turn back on. You toggle that button right here, it comes out as a steady stream, and then forward is hot, it's back like that, it's cold. The water flow isn't too bad on it, it's actually a lot greater than my other sink faucet that I had. It came with this dispenser and the refill it. You can kind of pull it out, put some soap down in there. I've got to get some soap to fill it up. And then you just kind of poke it, and then you can pump out your soap. Quality-wise, I mean, I paid about 36 bucks for this faucet. I think that included the shipping, if I'm not mistaken. It's not bad. It's not, the best quality, but I didn't pay, $300 for this fixture. So that said, for what I needed, I'm pretty happy with it. It's not too bad. You guys can ask me in the comments, hey, is it leaking yet? Did you run into any troubles with it? So I'll let you know. I'll reply back to you guys. But in a quick pinch, just a faucet, you don't want to spend big money on. As of right now, I just installed it. I'd probably buy it again. And I know you guys out there, it's always nice to see a video to see what something actually looks like and how it performs before you buy it. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys that. Oh yeah, so here's a plumbing tip for you. If you shut the water off, or you're going to need to shut the water off if you fix this yourself, when you turn the water back on, go very slow, open the faucet up, have somebody check for leaks for you, open the faucet so the water comes out, turn the hot and the cold on very slowly so you don't get water hammer or pressurize the system, because if you crank it on real fast, you can blow out a line or something in the plumbing system. You don't want to do that. So turn it on really slow, have the faucet cracked open so the water's going to come out. Close that, and then check for leaks and drips and stuff like that. Make sure you're all set. So it's a quick little plumbing tip for you. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and have a great day, guys.